friends will be surprised at all of your knowledge. All right, so we're gonna stop right over here, and where Penny did a commercial for Preparation H. Now the H stands for her. She was in here with her commercial mom, and her commercial mom, and they're riding horses, and her commercial mom says, "How you doing, honey?" And she says, "Sitting pretty, Ma." So believe it or not, this is also part of the beginning of the show that basically started with "Welcome to Fantasy Island," and also where in ER George Clooney saves a little kid. Now, not quite a little kid, but they did not finish the film, and so they had to do a couple of scenes elsewhere, and one of them was right here. This is where the T-Rex chases after the Jeep. Remember that? That entire scene took place from right over there, just around that corner. And they did things like change angles, have some different kinds of greenery put in, just to make it you think that it's all one long. Would park their Batmobile so they can run up into the commissioner's office right there. So as we come into the front line, you'll see on our left-hand side, that is stage 25. That was our Big Bang Theory stage. All stages have a plaque on it that gives you an idea of just some of the movies that have filmed there, as does stage 24. And you can see there's a plaque right here on their stage. There it is, on Friend's stage. This is a time of when one show goes, another show is ready to pop right in. You can see they're starting on something right inside here. I believe that it's going to be the sex lives of college girls, section art. That's what they'd be doing. But mostly I wanted to show you stage 16. Now take a look just at the plaque here. It's a very popular sound stage. Play this story because it's one of the most State of the Union. I know that every once in a while I get a wise guy that says, "Oh yeah, what about Hawaii?" To which I say we did a show called Hawaii and I for 3 years. Guess what? Absolutely used a piece of this for Hawaii. Fire department over there. This is the Seaver house from Growing Pains. But also the house where the little old lady lived in Gremlins. If you remember her, she's the one that they really hate, and they scoop up her chair that goes upstairs. It goes so fast, it flies out that window and lands right over where you go. This is the Geller house from Friends. Unfortunately, we can't go in because they're working in it, but that's where, in the one with the prom video,
and on the weekends, people who are executive producing shows, senior writers on television, they're traditionally working anywhere from
I had boards of the White House, the State Department, CIA. What are the looks in each one of these segments and trying to keep
perfect.
You take that. Thank you.
Oh, you stick like that. I'll take yours. We shall the next.
Hey, you'll pick up a comic book. Check it
It's a
out.
nice enough spot.
A little bit
You know,
higher.
I'll start standing up for myself.
And then eyes on me.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
We're doing fine. I think Sheldon has something to do with your next reading.
Costume as well. So in the movie Batman vs Superman, they don't talk about it.
Kasi mga video eh.
Oh, I think I'm fine. You sure? Yes. All right.
So now let's try the directly at the enemy.
Bye.